The Honda Shine 100 is a commuter motorcycle designed for efficiency and comfort. It features a sleek design with a powerful yet economical 100cc engine, delivering smooth performance for daily rides. The bike offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for city commuting. With its comfortable seating, advanced suspension system, and reliable braking, the Shine 100 ensures a smooth ride. The bike also incorporates modern features, including stylish graphics and a digital instrument cluster. Overall, the Honda Shine 100 combines practicality with reliability, making it a popular choice among riders seeking a dependable and economical two-wheeler.